In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy one design to another in Canva. If you're a designer or someone just looking to make visually appealing projects, knowing how to efficiently move elements between your Canva projects can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, let's dive into it. First off, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that all your designs are saved. This is crucial because you want to have everything ready and organized before copying elements between designs. Once you're logged in, go to the Canva homepage. From there, locate the design that you wish to copy. This could be a social media post, a presentation, whatever you're working on. Click on that design to open it. Once open, you'll be greeted with your familiar canvas and all of its elements. Take a moment to review this space. Ensure everything is as you want it before you proceed, because any changes you make here could affect what you're copying. Now, it's time to actually select the content you want to move. Click and drag your mouse over the elements you want to copy. They'll be highlighted to show they've been selected. You also have the option to use the keyboard shortcut Command A on a Mac or Control A on a PC if you prefer, and if you want to select everything on the design. Once everything is highlighted and you're satisfied with your selection, copy those elements. Again, you can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or simply using the keyboard shortcuts Command C or Control C. These shortcuts can really become your best friends in tasks like these. Now that you've copied the elements, let's move on to the design where you want to paste them. Navigate back to the Canva homepage and locate the design where you want to copy the elements to. Click on that design to open it up. You'll see a new canvas, ready and waiting for your content to be added. Once you're on this new design canvas, paste the elements by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or use Command V or Control V to quickly paste the copied items. Congrats! You've now successfully copied elements from one design and pasted them into another. But don't stop there. Take this opportunity to fine-tune the alignment and positioning of your newly pasted elements. Adjusting them can make a huge difference in the overall look and flow of your design. And don't forget, using the Align tool in Canva is a great way to make sure everything is balanced and looks professional. Finally, remember to save your work. You can do this by clicking on the File menu and hitting Save. It's always a good practice to save your designs regularly as you work on them. This ensures that all your efforts are preserved and can be easily accessed or edited in the future. There you have it, an easy and effective way to copy one design to another in Canva. Happy designing and see you in the next tutorial.